Alright, you guys, so in this video here today we got my boy Mikey, Ant, and Max. We are currently installing my ZL1 add-on stealth wicker bill. So yeah, we got the holes marked out and we drilled into them, and we have to pretty much put a rivet into it so that we can drill the bolts into it. So we just kind of figuring it out as we go. But yeah, I think it's gonna look pretty dang good with the tail lights for sure. And what you think, Max?
Glad it's your car.
All right, here we go.
So we're gonna start with 1-inch check fit, like now.
Yep, that sounds cool.
I want a drill bit small, in my opinion. So yeah, we need to go a step bigger, I'm guessing. Make sure it's not just the tape, because I don't really want to make it any bigger than we need to.
Yep. So yeah, right now we use one drill bit smaller just to be safe and make sure that we got it exactly where we need it to be at. So yeah, we just test fitting that, making sure. We still need to go bigger.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we got. I left my tripod at home, man. Should have brought my tripod. Yeah, this is the stealth wicker bill from ZL1 add-ons. It has the clear piece on it. So yeah, it came in this very flat box, like
Your thoughts?
pretty fat and flat.
Your thoughts? Too big. Yeah?
Yeah, we just trying to make sure we get it just right. But yeah, you can kind of see that there. That looks pretty good. So we had to go a step bigger in order to get the right size on here. The bigger the drill bit, the scarier it looks. Oh, perfect.
That's it, baby.
So that's the one. So now the rivet piece. Let me start. Okay, that wasn't bad. A little bit harder to actually get them.
I mean, that feels solid as shit. I honestly might consider taking the rest of the blue tape off before you put the
Yeah,
rest in.
because I was just thinking about that too. Yeah, I think we should be good on the tape.
I mean, I don't know.
We thought it was. Isn't that crazy? Look at all the holes in the spoiler. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use like something to get a little bit out. I don't really care about it that much. You don't really be able to see it anyway. Okay, that one was tougher. You saying that they like your stuff, man. You got a nice V6 6-gen Camaro. That looks kind of weird, but kind of cool. I don't know. What you guys think? Just
Put it together.
them in there by itself. So, wait, I did get them all right.
Yeah.
So we got 2 extra. Okay. So now it's time to put this bad boy in there. Take the plastic off of this. We gotta make it real satisfying for the video. This is the only time I've ever been able to do it. I messed up. Okay. Hey, there we go. Okay. So what are we thinking here about this? I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I think that's looking pretty good, huh? Alright, let's get the bolts. Where do you put those at, Max?
They're on the toolbox.
Oh, these right here?
Yeah.
They
Black ones
have
with
the
the
washers
washers.
too?
I'm gonna get. Is there two different ones by chance? No. Yeah, definitely put a washer on. Because the inside 4 bolts have it clear, so you can do the outside 2 now.
Yeah. Put this one in.
Get that debris out of there. Whatever that is. 'Cause once it's in there, it'll be in there forever.
Get that started. Dude, that looked good. I think that looked pretty good.
Unwrap one. Yeah, unwrap that, huh?
Alright, one more attempt. Maybe this tape will make it a little easier. Never mind. Alright. Dang it, bro. Okay. Maybe I could put like a custom, like a 1 LED decal on here. That's supposed to go. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much the final look. What you guys think? Think it look pretty decent?
I think that's good. Now you just snug that shit down. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You feel it come tight, just snug it down, don't get crazy. Ain't nothing you're working with metal really, so.
Right. Uh-huh.
Make for a bad fucking day real quick.
Yeah, we don't want to do that. Boom. Dude, I think that looked good, man.
Yeah.
That looked good. I was a little weary about it at first. I'm like, man, I don't know. I think that came out pretty good. So, yeah, we got the wicker bill on there. Alright, but yeah, the bow tie thing. Let me pop the trunk. Alright, you guys. So I'm just gonna insert a few clips here just so you guys can see the final look. My idea, I think the wicker bill looks 30 times better on the car. It goes nicely with the new tail lights, and I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, check out these few clips of the wicker bill and let me know what you guys think. So right now it's like 2 weeks later. I'm just getting off of work, so don't mind my work clothes. But yeah, basically I absolutely love the new wicker bill. I think it came out awesome. It makes the car look way more aggressive. Right now, getting ready to cold start the car. It's pretty dirty out, so don't roast me in the comments on that. But yeah, it's looking really good, and I think that the wicker bill was a really good addition to the car. I bought the stealth wicker bill from ZL1 add-on. So if you guys want to get that for your 5th gen Camaros or even your 6th gen Camaros, that's where I got that from. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know 1 out of 10, how does the car look on the rear now ever since I added the wicker bill. I really want to know what you guys think. So alright, that's gonna be it for me. And before I go, I'll give you the cold start. So here you go.